Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. Another stock being taken today is Supreme Industries Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein we put financial data of a particular stock and arrive at a conclusion on to whether to invest in this company at this point of time or not. The financial data is taken from an app known as the Stock Edge app. So let's go to Supreme Industries Limited. We could see here that the last traded price of Supreme Industries Limited was 988.95 on 31st of October 2018. Now let's go to Fundamental tab and understand about the sector, industry and the company. The sector is plastic products. Industry is plastic products. About the company, let's click on the Show Profile tab. We could see here Supreme Industries was incorporated in 1942 and manufactures a wide range of plastic products. The company manufactures products like cross-laminated films, HMHD films, multi-layer films, SWR piping systems, PP mats, molded furniture and many more. Supreme Industries also has a joint venture with Supreme Petrochem Limited. SPL, that is Supreme Petrochem Limited, is pioneer in polystyrene business. So this was about the company. Now let's come to the financial indicator. We'll be putting this financial value onto our Excel program. The first is market cap, which is 12,596.62 crores. Clearly a mid-cap company. Earning per share is 41.42. Price to earning ratio is 23.94. Industry PE is 21.65. Book value per share is 157.6. Price to book value is 6.29. Dividend yield is 1.21. Face value is 2 and number of shares subscribed is 12.7. Coming on to return ratio, the first is return on equity. Now let's go to return ratio. For that, click on ratios tab and we could see the return ratio. The first is return on equity, which is 22.12. Return on capital employed is 30.59. Return on asset is 13.83. So overall a buy signal in terms of return ratio. Coming on to efficiency ratio, the first is EBITDA margin, which is 15.61. EBIT margin is 12.33. PAT margin is 7.78. Earning per share is 33.98. Asset turnover ratio is 1.78. Days of receivables is 23.50. Days of payables is 40.81 and days of inventory is 52.68. Again a buy signal in terms of efficiency ratio. Now coming on to growth ratio, the first is net sales growth, which is 11.3. EBITDA growth is 3.39. Net profit growth is 5.42. EPS growth is 0.31. Overall growth ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to solvency ratio, the most important ratio in shortlisting any of the stock. The first ratio is total debt to equity ratio, which is 0.13. Now when we click on 0.13, we get to know that the total debt on the company is 247.74 crores, whereas the net worth of the company is 1894.9 crores. The interest coverage ratio is 23.38. When we click on 23.38, we get to know that the company is earning 629.73 crores, whereas the interest that the company is paying is 26.94 crores. The current ratio is 1.38. So overall solvency ratio has also given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to cash flow ratio. Cash flow per share is 40.05. Free cash flow per share is 16.7. Even the cash flow ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to valuation ratio. The first is price to earning ratio, which is 35.04. Price to book ratio is 7.98. Price to cash flow ratio is 29.73. EV to EBITDA ratio is 19.25. Market cap to sales ratio is 3.05. So overall valuation ratio has not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now the program in its entirety has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Further, if any one of you wants to perform comparative or fundamental analysis of any of your stock, can write to me in the comment section below. Thank you.